Hello.
My name is Katie.
I'm Jessie.
Today we are eating BBQ chicken.
Wow.
I'll eat the golden olive one. You need a new piece.
Okay.
This is the golden olive chicken.
This is secret spicy one.
Do we at the same time?
At the same time? Okay. Where's the mic? Okay. You have to do more because yours the crispy one.
Okay.
Oh, I touched your chin. Did it get on your chin? Okay.
I give this a 9.5 because I can eat it every day.
Really? You can eat this every day?
Of course.
I can't.
How often can you eat it?
Once a week?
Mm.
You get stuck with this so easily.
No.
I feel like there are gonna be like haters on me because I'm like talking while I'm eating.
No, this is our video is meant for a certain group of people, and if they aren't it, they can X out.
That's 9.5 out of 10. And what about this?
Oh wait, now I just said which one I like better.
Katie, are you serious? Oh wait, huh? What?
I think I like this one better. Okay, then this is a 9 then, and then this will be a 9.5.
I'll give this a 9, and I'll give that an 8.5 then.
She is more critical.
It's so hot.
Oh, did you
Summer
rate the,
isn't the right time to eat chicken.
Says who?
Me.
You have to rate the radish. This is the pickled radish.
You know how Koreans eat radish?
Huh?
They eat it with the ring finger and the pinky. No, I dropped it.
I don't use my pinky finger.
There you go.
I think I give this radish a 9 out of 10.
Radish is good. I'll give it 10 out of 10.
Oh, should we talk about ourselves?
Yeah, talk about what have you been doing, Katie?
No, I mean like who are we?
Oh. Okay.
I'll interview you. What
Wait.
school do you go to?
Rutgers?
What are you studying?
Pharmacy? Oh, how dare you? I'm just kidding. It's okay. How about you? What school do you go to?
I go to the University of Rhode Island.
Major?
Also pharmacy.
We're both aspiring pharmacists in the future. Let's see how it turns out.
Hashtag goals.
People are gonna hate us.
I'm just joking.
We're really boring. Okay, so how long have you been friends for?
Oh, let's tell them our story.
Okay.
So Jessie
Like our
and
first
I-
impression?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jessie and I met in 7th grade. And when I first saw Jessie... No, actually, our mutual friend told me that there was a new girl coming to Edgar. And I was like, whoa. And I was excited to meet the new girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are you so mean to me?
You're ruining it! And then when I saw Jessie, she was like really, really happy. And I was like, why is she so happy?
That's why
So I
she
didn't
hated
like
me because
her.
I was happy.
I didn't hate her. I just thought she was weird.
For being happy? You're such a pessimistic brat. My first impression of Katie? Definitely not good. Actually, I don't know. I just thought that you were really tall.
I think we're the same height.
No. I think now we're the same height, but in middle school, you were a lot taller than me and
Mutual friend.
Yeah. No, I actually liked you at first.
Really?
Yeah, but then there was a turning point. There are gonna be a lot of haters. So this was a year that on not Sandy Hook. Oh my gosh. Whatever.
You can't tell the story.
Why not?
Actually, go ahead.
When Hurricane Sandy happened, and then this girl transferred to our school because her school was destroyed by the hurricane, and we were all like eating lunch together like during a lunch period, and we were just like introducing to each other, and I don't know, Katie had like a lot of questions to her. She goes like, can I actually share it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the girl, her name, okay, because it's, okay.
Give her a fake name. Sandy.
Yeah, Sandy. Sandy, so Katie asked Sandy, he's like, hey, where do you shop? And then she said, I don't know, right? That's what she said, right?
Mm-hmm.
She basically said, I don't know to like every Katie's question. And so Katie was like, and no, was she wearing like something, she was wearing Abercrombie, right? That's why you asked her.
I don't think so.
Whatever. So at that moment, Katie's favorite clothing store was Abercrombie. So she was like, do you shop at Abercrombie? And Sandy was like, I don't know. And Katie was like, do you even know what Abercrombie is? And Sandy was like,
Okay.
I don't know. And then you were like, you don't know what Abercrombie is? You got so mad at her.
So tell them how I changed.
Yeah, Katie got nicer.
And now we're hashtag besties. Wait, when did we become hashtag besties?
You're annoying. Stop. No, remember in 8th grade? Like we were in the same friend group, but we weren't that close to, like that close to anybody in the friend group. You know? Do you remember that? So like we only had each other. I think this was when we were in 8th grade. So we always like Snapchatted. Do you remember this? Our sign. This was our hello. Wait, okay, they're like sauce all over my hands, but
Wait.
I have no idea. Basically, this was our sign.
We would do this in the hallways to each other.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
only Snapchatted each other with
No,
this.
we did this in the hallway
Oh
to
my
each
gosh.
other.
Are you serious? No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. I don't think
I
we
wanna
had.
eat that.
Eat it.
But then, you know how I had leftover here? I completely forgot about that, so I grabbed another one, took a bite.
What's the problem?
I don't want them anymore. I want that.
Oh my god, just eat it. Eat it later.
Okay.
Okay. Next week's episode, we'll eat bagels.
Oh.